Hey everybody, it's Andy. I got another package in the mail today and I thought I'd open it up for all of you. Let's just cut open this bag. So here we have from Alpha 19er, the Stealth Cobra collab with Carryology. It's got this nice fancy bag with a little zippy at the top. And here we go. This is the Evade 1.5 Stealth Cobra, so everything you see here except done in the X-Pack material, which actually looks really nice. They got rid of a bunch of the danglies, like the compression straps, so none of those. And the water bottle pocket is, it folds flat and then it extends out, and it has the elastic here. This is very similar to the water bottle pocket on the Pathfinder. We've got the patch over here. This is the Stealth Cobra patch with the Carryology logo and the Alpha 19er logo. And it's more of like a rubbery feel on top, so something that's new to me at least. And then the bag has the nice Carryology Blazing Orange liner with the pockets and the admin panel. And over in the main compartment, you can see we have the inside of that X-Pack material. This is a Kevlar on the X, and they have this fancy laser cut version of the webbing with the Velcro. So they wanted to save some weight over here because the bag overall weighs a bit more than the normal. So I believe the normal bag weighs less than 4 pounds, and the collaboration is set to weigh 4.3, which is a bit heavy. Laptop compartment, also that nice blazing orange. So I managed to order the bag plus the special Matryoshka pouches. They use the same limited edition X-Pack that they had for this. And I was frantically looking around, where'd the pouches go? Was there an error? But then I remembered the Alpha 19er and Helmy gave an update saying that the pouches are going to be coming a bit later. So according to here, the Matryoshka pouches are pre-orders and scheduled for the first week of July. So if you ordered the bag with the pouches and the pouches aren't there, just know that that's intended and they'll be showing up later. All right, putting on the bag. Scraps come really extended out, so got to pull these tight. Ooh, and they have little elastic strap keepers there. That's new. And then here for the sternum strap, it's a fidlock buckle. So those are always fun, similar to the Pathfinder. Anyway, hopefully this gives you a feel for the Carryology Alpha 19er Stealth Cobra Evade 1.5. If you like content like this and want to see more, please smash the like button on the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Thank you all very much for watching, and have a good day.